Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 25. So ready to write. Activity 4, write your diary entry. So you will need information from page 24. So activity 3. So these notes, you may refer to these notes to write your own diary entry. And then maybe you can refer the format here. So just a guide for you. So if you didn't use to write some kind of essay, so you may refer to this format here. And then one of the trick to broaden your vocab, so you may refer to this kind of dictionary. So this is called dinasours. So you may refer to this kind of dictionary. So this dictionary basically is like synonyms. So for example, amazing. So its synonym maybe is fun. So this is just an example of how you broaden your vocab. So let's go to activity 4 on page 25 again. So write your diary entry. So date, we write it as Sunday, and then followed by comma, 15 May. So for example, the first sentence, this is just a guide. So today was really fun. Fun. And then I went to so maybe National Science Center. Science Center. So this C should be in uppercase. So center. With my classmates. And then there were lots of amazing galleries. Galleries and exhibitions. And then we go to next line here. So we visited the dinosaur encounter. So a lot of people misspell this one. So dinasour. So this is not the correct pronunciation. Just a trick for you to remember the spelling. So dinasour. So basically this is dinosaur encounter. Gallery. And then we have the opportunity to interact virtually with animatronic dinosaurs. And then what an amazing prehistoric moment. Prehistoric moment. It was awesome. It was awesome. And then after that, we explore the marine life aquarium. So aquarium, a variety of colorful marine life welcomes us to the science world. Science world of the National Science Center. And then we also have a chance to see for ourselves, the variety of corals in a unique coral reef ecosystem. So another line here. So you can write it as I view okay, because this is not much space left, so you can write it as it was the best day out ever. So it was the best day out ever. And then maybe you can draw some pictures here that's showing the National Science Center, or you can print on a white paper. So make sure to paste something on these white spaces here. And then activity 5, read and check what you wrote in activity 4. So ask yourself, so basically all this one will be ticked. And then activity 6, we write your diary entry in your notebook. So this is up to you to use the points in activity 5 to improve your work. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 25. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it. You can join my diagram robot that I developed.